Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, on a Monday afternoon, and following a long weekend in the country, I'm back here, New York City, at the New York Stock Exchange, ready to bring the financial world to you, the viewer. So it's almost 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. Stocks are rising. I need more coffee, but I also need another drink. Let's get this one, right? Let's get it. Let's get it. It's happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now stocks, they're kicking off the new week on a positive note, trading higher following a series of corporate reports. But first, let's begin on the data front, with only the IHS Market Manufacturing read for the month of October being released. Now the market, it was seen rising to 53.2 from a 3-month low of 51.5 back in September. However, the big story today, big deals. AT&T reaching a deal to buy Time Warner on Saturday for more than $85 billion, roughly $107.50 a share. The combination brings Time Warner back to the days of when it created a merger of equals with AOL, which failed miserably in achieving its goals and resulted in a breakup. Also, TD Ameritrade announcing it's buying Scottrade for roughly $4 billion in a two-process deal with TD Bank. TD Ameritrade said it would end up paying $2.7 billion for Scottrade's brokerage business after the sale of Scottrade Bank to TD Bank's U.S. banking unit for $1.3 billion. At the same time, earnings season continuing, T-Mobile, VF Corporation, restaurant brands all reporting today, while over in oil, U.S. crude down about 1.3%, but still above $50 a barrel. This after Iran said it wanted to be exempt from an OPEC deal which would cut production. The U.S. dollar, meanwhile, holding flat. And with all of this combined, you have yourself a session where about two stocks advancing for every decliner. Right behind me here at the New York Stock Exchange, let's take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this, the first trading session of the week. And after already announcing all the corporate news, because it was the headliner today, let's talk sports. The Jets pulling off a win yesterday. Chelsea destroying Man United. The New York Islanders winning. Yes, yes, yes. And the World Series is set. The Cubs, the Indians, 1903 versus 1948. But more importantly, actually most importantly, Henry Rowengartner, the Rookie of the Year, versus Ricky Vaughn, a.k.a. Wild Thing. And with that said, as an American that loves movies, go Indians, because Wild Thing, you make my heart sing. Ooh yeah. From Modern Wall Street, I'm James Sweeney, saying I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.